Should we stop confusing open code with modern-day maintainer slavery? Billions of users, thriving companies, and yet, those who build the foundations of our digital world struggle to fund a single release. MinIO just delivered a brutal wake-up call. No more free Docker images. A symbolic gesture, but one full of meaning, and perhaps the beginning of a profound shift in our relationship with the free software. A few days ago, MinIO took everyone by surprise by stopping the publication of its official Docker images. During the latest security update, no image appeared on Docker Hub, and the team's response was clear. This is now by design. Users must clone the repository and build their own image. The decision sparked immediate reactions, given how widely MinIO is used across infrastructures worldwide. Behind this choice lies a reality many prefer to ignore. Open source is not free. It is freedom, not free of cost. Maintaining official images, testing them, signing them, publishing for multiple architectures, and keeping them updated after every CVE. All of this has a real cost. A human cost, a material cost, a cost of responsibility. For years, open source projects have carried these burdens without proportional return, while entire companies built their products and profits on their work. MinIO's decision embodies a growing frustration. The message is simple. We provide the code, not the service. The team never promised to deliver pre-built binaries for free, let alone on a global scale. By reclaiming control over its deliverables, MinIO reminds us that code transparency should not be confused with a duty of free support. This move is part of a broader trend. Not long ago, Red Hat made a similar choice by limiting public access to RHEL sources and refocusing contributions on CentOS Stream. Once again, the debate was intense, but the underlying issue remains the same. Everyone wants stability, security, and maintenance, yet few are willing to share the cost. Red Hat simply reminded the world that the open source model relies on shared effort, not unilateral exploitation. These decisions do not signal the end of free software. On the contrary, they express a desire to bring clarity back to the moral contract between producers and consumers of open source. Open source projects are not public services. They live thanks to those who contribute, fund, or participate. MinIO and Red Hat are asking the same question, each in their own way. How long can the open source model keep sustaining free as an entitlement? As long as the answer remains indefinitely, other projects will likely follow this path, reminding everyone that code freedom does not erase the value of labor. If this resonates with you, if you also feel that something must change in how we design and support open source, join my Patreon. I share practical insights, strategies, and tools to make open source projects viable, sustainable, and profitable without betraying their spirit. The goal is not to close the open, but to restore value to the invisible work behind every commit. You'll learn how to turn a passive user base into an active community, how to align transparency with a business model, and how to build financial independence without giving up openness. It's a space for those who want to do open source differently, with clarity, pragmatism, and ambition. So, what do you think? Should maintainers keep giving everything away for free, or is it time to rethink the contract between open source creators and users? Tell me in the comments. I read every one. If you like this article, leave a like, subscribe, and let's keep exploring how to build a future where open source no longer means sacrifice, but sustainability.